Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about basic concepts of dictionary. Now we will be discussing predefined functions, methods which can be used by be used with dictionaries to explore data, to structure data, to maintain data. Now let us see. In previous class, we learned how to define a dictionary. It's very simple. A dictionary contains some pairs of elements, such as this dictionary contains two pairs. The first pair is this, and the second pair contains three and Ritu. The first value of the pair is called key, and the second value is called pair. The second pair element of the pair is called value. Now, how to get element out of a dictionary? It's very simple. Simply use square brackets, and we have to give key as the input. Our key is 1 and 3 here in that dictionary, in this dictionary. Now simply give the key and the output will be value. Let me check what's going on. Okay, and okay, here I got the result as Ritu because the respective element of the pair is Ritu. Now what will happen if I am trying to give something which is not in the dictionary? It will show error, very obvious. And what will happen if I am trying to give this result, the second element of the pair as input? Let us try that. It will also throw a error because Python will check this value as the first element of every pair. First element is 1, so it is not matching with this. Second element is second pair is having 3 as the first element, 3. Now so this is also not matching with this value, so it will throw a error. Tarun not found, simply it is trying to say. Means we have to give the key as the input to get element out of a dictionary. Very simple concept. We can simply use the dot keys to get all the keys of our dictionary, and the dot values to get all the values of our dictionary of respective keys. Here 1 and 3 is the keys, and Tarun and Ritu are the values of this dictionary. Very simple concept. What will happen if we are trying to assign a key as a okay? Here we have defined dictionary with keys as 1 and 3. What will happen if we use string as the first element of pair? Let us try. Suppose we are defining a dictionary called F, and then using curly brackets, and then using string as first element of pair. Now it should throw a error according to concept of list, but it is a dictionary and it will not show any error. The syntax will be very fine because we can use string as first element of the pair of this dictionary. We can use string, we can use int, we can use float, but note that we should not use a key multiple times in a single dictionary. Let me give you an example to clarify this. I am using A as the key and value is English, and then again I am trying to give A and its value is Hindi. Now it will show a error, but not a syntax error. It will give a result in a very different way. Let us check what it will give you. It will give a single dictionary with a single element. Here we define two pairs. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2. This both are having the first element same. The first element is A. The first element is A here, and here also first element is A. So Python get that the value of the A is Hindi. It was the old version of A and it is the new version of A. Python is thinking this, and then it takes the new version out of it and it defines a dictionary with value Hindi only. This is the updated version of dictionary app. So we should not use a key multiple times in a single dictionary. Very simple concept. Now, how to add more elements in the same dictionary? Suppose I have to add some elements in this dictionary only. Now it's very simple. We will simply use the indexing method, and I will give here keys and value of our new pair. The new value should be, suppose, B, and its respective element is social science. Executed it and the result is, oh okay, here I did a mistake. Here we got the result. This is very simple to add new elements in a dictionary. We have learned about how to get element out of a dictionary, how to add elements in a dictionary, and now we will learn how to remove elements from a dictionary. Simply use a del. Del is a keywords which are predefined in Python. Use the name of the that dictionary and then the we have to give value, means I am trying to give Hindi. Okay, this is the proper syntax. Now let us check what is the value of final updated version of F, and the F do not contain any element with A because we have deleted that using this del keyword. This was the method to delete element of our dictionary. Thank you guys for this class. In next class we will discuss about set and tuples.